This is a 2013 Buick Enclave, a drive and shape that provides endless luxury. It has a 3.6-liter six-cylinder engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a parking camera, heated seats, the IntelliLink infotainment system, a 10-speaker audio system, XM satellite radio, xenon headlights, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, leather seats, side curtain airbags, full power accessories, a rear spoiler, an anti-lock braking system, a power rear liftgate, and this vehicle has fewer than 19,000 miles on the odometer. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Thank you for considering Metro Toyota for your next vehicle purchase. If you have any questions, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership located at 5850 Stadium Drive in Kalamazoo.